Did you sleep? Nope. I've been awake since 10 p.m. Which is not that long, I guess. 16 hours. That's doable. But I'm starting to get tired. You know what I mean? Was it worth the 1 minion to take 3 chien hits there? That's fucking ridiculous. You can get 3 autos in there. How's that fair? That just seems broken as fuck. Like, that's just broken as fuck, man. Like, what is this character? What is that? That's so OP. I bet for last hitting 1 minion. So I get punished by death. Instant death penalty. I hate Shen too. He's not too bad once you get some levels, but Shen's early game is complete bullshit, as you could see here. Can't last hit. Yeah, I'm not allowed to walk up to do anything, to hit the minion. Or else that happens. I have to let him push into me. Yeah, Shen's early game trading is just completely disgusting. You have to avoid it at all costs. If you trade with him early game, you lose. So, just need to get some levels and then I can start winning. But that means I can't really go for farm or else I die. I have to play it safe. Try to punish him. He punish you. I'm Gragas with an extremely limited mana pool. As you can see, I'm already and very like wet noodle type damage early game. So unfortunately, I can't really punish him as how much he's damaging me. I wish I could. It would be nice if I could punish him early game. Gragas can't. Okay, I'll just recall here. I think I need anti-heal. True. That's my point. Yeah, maybe now I can do a little more. With mana crystal, a little bit of AP. Didn't proc phase rush, unfortunately. Nice. Yo, wait, cancel this auto. I'm scared.